Step 1. Open Google Pay Download and install the Google Pay app from the Google Play Store Android or the Apple App Store iPhone. Once installed, locate the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Sign in with Google. When you open Google Pay for the first time, it will ask you to sign in. Select the Google account you want to use for Google Pay. If you don't have a Google account, tap Create Account and follow the steps to set up a new one. After selecting or creating an account, tap Continue to proceed. Step 3. Accept terms and conditions. Google Pay will display its terms and conditions for using the app. Read through the terms carefully, and if you agree, tap Accept and Continue to move forward. Step 4. Add your phone number. Enter your mobile phone number that is linked to your bank account. You will receive an OTP, one-time password, via SMS for verification. Enter the OTP correctly to verify your number. Step 5. Set up a screen lock. To enhance security, Google Pay requires your phone to have a screen lock, such as a PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. If you don't already have one set up, follow the on-screen instructions to enable a screen lock before proceeding. Step 6. Add a payment method. Tap on Payment Method and choose between linking a debit card, credit card, or bank account for transactions. Step 7. Enter card or bank details. Once all details are verified, your Google Pay account is ready for use. You can now send and receive money, pay bills, recharge, shop online, and more securely.